All right, here's the final product. It looks really good. I was able to organize some of the cables. So the trick to that is you have to make sure this is extended all the way up for that green or the golden lever to move back. And then the other trick is to turn it on. You have to hit the power button. And then you have to hit 1 0. You can change it up and down. I just left it on 3 zeros. Then you hit it twice, and it will unlock. It said 48 volts when I ordered it, but this one says 52, so maybe it's actually more powerful than I thought. And then if you hit the M here, you have different memory settings. You have eco. Oh, sorry, if you hit the plus and minus, it goes to standard and, of course, the turbo. Now, if you hit the M, it goes dual motor, single motor. And, of course, the light. Light looks kind of cool. I mean, you guys can see it. It's like a yellowish with the lights around it. I know there's lights around the corners too. Overall, really good. I got to put some air in the tires. I don't know if these are temporary or they're supposed to be on there because one of them on the back is smushed in and it comes right off. So I'm not sure if that's supposed to look like that. I can reach out to support, see if they can send me a replacement. This was a little challenge to put on. Make sure you put the bracket in between these two when you open it up. And then the cool thing about this whole thing lifts up, like the battery is actually um, this whole piece. You can easily replace it. And I'm gonna put some air in it, take it for a quick ride, and looks like pretty sturdy. I brought it up all the way to the top. As you can see, I have a lot of different scooters and e-bikes, and this will be my, taking to the park for a little bit of off-roading. Pretty excited. Make sure you charge it. I know it comes with full charge, but they recommend charging it to 100%. And then tighten up all these screws. This was loose. This piece was at the bottom of the box. I thought I lost it. The good news is it was in there, so I found it. Put it back in here, so we're good. Golden. Put this. Make sure you align the tires straight. I did some modifications, so since I do hold the brakes with 3 fingers, I just brought this down a little bit, as you can see. That way, my index finger is on it. Whoa, yeah, and make sure this is a 0 speed scooter. That means if you give this to somebody and they pull this lever, it's gonna fly off. Lucky me, I was in eco mode and this lowest setting. Just make sure you don't pull this because this is a 0 start scooter. And then the cool thing is it's easy for me to just engage the brakes and have my index finger here. Now I try to bring it down to use my thumb, but didn't really like it, so this is probably the better option for me. Anyways, hope you guys like the review. The Ienryde dual motor scooter. I haven't even tried the dual motor yet, honestly. I'm gonna have to get used to the single motor, get comfortable, and then start going faster. But this is way higher than the InMotion scooter I have. That's also a dual motor scooter, but a lot less clearance off the ground versus this bad boy. I mean, look at that thing. It's crazy. The other thing is, this piece, I gotta reach out to customer service because these 2 screws, no matter how tight I spin it, it does not tighten up on this side. It kind of feels loose, so this needs to probably, the whole thing needs to be replaced. Good news is 2 screws here, and I think you can get a whole new replacement. Overall, this scooter is easy to work with. I even looked at the tires. It's really easy to switch out the tires. It doesn't look that complicated in comparison to other scooters out there. And then the suspension here, as you can see, is right here. You did a really good job. It's all set up, ready to go. Easily climbed that area, my driveway, and some of the bumps I tested it out on. But overall, it's built really well. We're really happy with this, so keep you guys posted.